All right, let's look at this rational function. We are having an equation to solve. It is a rational function, but it is an equation form. We are solving 3x divided by x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x plus 2 equals to 3x minus 6, or divided by the product of these denominators. Now, this is partial fraction, but it is in an equation form. And if you are faced with an equation that involves fraction, you find the LCM. So let's see. So in looking at this, seeing this is the fraction, we look out for the LCM, which is going to be, if I multiply these two denominators, it will be giving me this very denominator, right? So we multiply through by the x minus 1, then x plus what? 2. Now when you multiply, remember that this is also a factor. Dividing this, it will be left with only the x plus 2. So I should be having 3x multiplying x plus 2 minus, in this case, x plus 2 is a factor here, cancelling instead of remaining the x minus 1. So I'll multiply 2x by x minus what? 1. And that should be equals to your 3x minus 6, because all of this is the same as this. All right, what do we do next? We are going to expand. So we expand to remove the bracket. And what is that going to be? X times x, that will be x squared with the 3. So 3x squared plus 3 to 6x. Now, in the case of this, we are taking this as one factor. We finish the expansion, then we introduce a minus. So I have my minus. In the case of this, it will be x times x squared. So I also have 2x squared. Then this is 2x times 1. It remains what? Minus 2x. Before this negative will affect it, it becomes positive 2x equals to 3x minus 6. If you like, we can decide to put this in the bigger bracket, perform the expansion, then introduce a negative to it. I am still at the left side here, x squared. I can group them together, then this x will also be grouped together. So 3x squared minus 2x squared will be left with only x squared. 6x plus 2x, that make it 8x. I guess this will come to become minus 3x. Let's bring this one also to become positive 6 equals to what? 0. So if I simplify this, I should be having 5x plus 6 equals to 0. That is 8 minus 3. That will give me 5. So it becomes quadratic. So I find factors of 6. I need factors of 6. When I add, I should be getting 5. And obviously, we can see that it will only be 2 and what? 3. So I have x plus 3, which is the first one. Then x plus 2 equals to 0. What do we do? We are going to take the first bracket to be 0, or we take the second bracket to be what? 0. We transpose. So x become negative 3, or x become what? Negative 2. So this will be the values of x. If you solve this, the values of x that make the left side should be the same as what? The right hand side will be minus 3 and what? Minus 2. I guess the concept is clear. The idea is based on rational function, but we end up solving an equation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.